Let's see if we can. One thing that's often gets overlooked in these videos is how do I clean a fish? Well, this is how I do it. I've seen others do it the same way too. But you start with the down here at the rear end and work your way up with the knife. Don't stab it way in or you get the guts, but just barely under the surface of the skin there. And you can cut it all the way up to there, and then I like to stab it in here and there and cut the gills out like that. That way I can hold the head, put my finger in, touches back, put my thumb in here, and then you just peel it back. When you peel it back, it pulls off these front two fins with it and all the guts with it. And then right down the bottom, you pull everything out. And then, I gotta get this spinal fluid out of here, so I usually very gently just cut that membrane right there. And then with my finger, I just scratch that out of there. Do it gently so you don't break the bones. And once that's cleaned out like that real good, then you can cut the head off right behind this little bone right here. You get the knife. Do that on both sides. You can cut down until you get to the spine. You can just cut through the spine. And then you now have a fish ready for the frying pan. Some people like to fillet them, but I like to cook them this way. And then the skin just falls off when you cook it. But when I cook them, I fill the inner cavity with seasoning, outer cavity with seasoning, fry them up in the pan, and then just peel the skin off and just carve the meat off the bone and eat it. It's a quick and easy way to have them. So hopefully you found this informational video worth your while if you've never learned how to clean a fish, because I had to learn the hard way, trial and error, until I found something that worked.